Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add like this header row on Google Sheets, like in Google Sheets, sorry. So for instance, you already have like this at the very top and you want to add in like a specific header, like a title that it won't like be moved around. So if for instance you write something here and you like scroll down, it will still be on top. I'll show you what I mean in a second. But oh, I don't know why this got open, but you're going to basically like right click and select insert one row above. I'm just going to, maybe I won't. And I'm also going to adjust this a little bit like so. And then here is where I'm just going to drag this like line and drag it down. And here, as you can see, I have this header. And I'm just going to type in a number here, and I'm also going to adjust the font size. And as you can see, if I scroll down, this will still be on top. So it doesn't matter like how far I scroll down, I will still be able to see this bit right here, so I won't get confused. So yeah, that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!